Myself, S. Murugan. Today the workshop has been conducted here. It is very useful for us. We seen a topic about the basics of FEA. FEA is a numerical method. The purpose of FEA is modeling of a product or a system in a virtual environment. Problems has been solved, and we discussed the types of analysis. Examples: heat transfer analysis, thermal analysis, fatigue analysis, mode analysis, dynamic analysis, non-linear dynamic analysis, non-linear static analysis, etc. In that, the heat transfer analysis means solves the problems with respect to the temperature, which is heat transfer analysis, comes under heat transfer analysis. The fatigue analysis means it is an analysis between time and the temperature. The time and temperature should be identified problems in the fatigue analysis, and we seen how to mesh the component. The meshing component should be perfectible for the Young's modulus, shear, stress, and it should be implemented to the component clearly. And we have to, the mixing quality should be clear, meshing quality should be clear, the element size should be very clean and neat. And we discussed the FEA, the pre-processing and the pre-processing analysis and the post-processing and the solver. The pre-processing analysis is to design the component and analysis. The post-processor is already component will be designed and it will be only for analysis. The session is very useful for us, and we gained more knowledge. We see different topics which have been seen, which we are not seen before. The topics are very useful for us. Thank you.